Hey, hope everyone is having a great day. Today's video is what a 46-year-old eats to keep a flat stomach and 10% body fat. So I'm going to show you exactly what I had on this day. And here I have a few clips from the workout I did on this day as well. And I did the workout at 11 a.m. fasted, which is typical for me. I just drink water throughout the morning, do my workout around 11 a.m. And this is a strength training workout I do a couple of days a week. And I had my first meal this day at 1 p.m. Now this was a green juice. It was celery, cucumber, and apple. So this is one of my go-to green juices when I do green juice. Very hydrating, it tastes great. Then a little bit after that, I had a cut up melon and a peach. So this is just maybe 30 minutes after I had the green juice. Then about 3:30, I made a smoothie. This is my date almond smoothie. So this had a handful of frozen strawberries. I had 3 dates. I had 1 ripe banana. I had 4 frozen ripe bananas. Now, I actually freeze my bananas with the peel on, then I soak them in hot water for 4 minutes and they come out of the peel and it has a really good texture of the smoothie. I had 2 tablespoons of raw almond butter and about 3/4 cup of almond milk. So this is one of my favorite smoothies right now. Try this one out. Let me know what you think. This made just about exactly 1 liter. So it's nice and creamy. It's really good, filling, very satisfying and healthy as well. So try that one out. Next up, this was dinner at 7 p.m. I made a huge salad. Now this had greens, sweet potato, quinoa, avocado, pecans, and dried cherries. And I also had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on whole grain bread with it as well. And for dessert, I had some dark chocolate chips. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.